technologies, we only use candles.
But you said that the night is advanced, but what is to turn off?
Maybe our country is not that developed yet.
The use of kinetic flow addresses reliance on fossil fuels, energy waste, and sustainability awareness by generating clean energy from human movement.
It lowers energy costs, reduces carbon footprint, and supports efficient energy use in busy public space, offering a smart, sustainable alternative.
Product name is StepNet IoT.
Solution method. The first one is design and planning. The second one is installation of piezoelectric disc. The third one is energy stabilization and storage. The fourth one is connection to LED lights. The fifth one is IoT integration. The sixth one is testing and improvements.
Energy generation plus real-time monitoring. Function, generate energy from full stack and send the data directly to the cloud. IoT module, ESP32 plus bin. Use case, power LED lights and monitor energy through a mobile or web app.
Smart device control based on energy level. Function, the system automatically turns device like lights or chargers on or off depending on the amount of energy generated. Use case can be adjusted via a mobile app.
Data storage, analysis and forecasting. Function, stores energy and full stack data, analyze trend and forecast peak usage time. Use case, useful for system optimization and reporting.
This is our wiring sketch. This is our sketch layer by layer. First layer, we have non-zip surface. Second layer, we have energy flow. Third layer, we have waterproof layer and piezoelectric disc, rechargeable battery, energy flow, external device, blink, OLED display, LED, and ESP32.
Environmental impact, green and eco-friendly energy, reduces dependency on grid electricity, promote the use of renewable, clean and sustainable energy from human motion. Technological impact, innovation and smart automation, encourages innovation in smart technology for buildings, school and public space, enables automated control of device via IoT based on the energy generated. Educational and awareness impact, energy literacy, educates users on kinetic energy and IoT through interactive system, raise awareness and energy conservation and green technology.
Sustainable Development Goal 7. Clean and affordable energy. Kinetic flows generate electricity from human movement, making them a clean and renewable energy source. This supports sustainable, affordable energy use and can reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Sustainable Development Goals 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Kinetic flow technology is an example of innovation in the infrastructure sector, introducing new ways to collect and use energy. Sustainable Development Goals 11. Sustainable cities and community use in busy public places such as train stations, shopping malls and airports. Kinetic flows help create more sustainable communities and cities, reduce energy waste and promote more efficient energy use.
For the cost and materials, RM50 ringgit anti-slip rubber, RM20 ringgit wood, RM20 ringgit energy storage battery, RM10 ringgit PVC cable, RM3 ringgit piezoelectric sensor, RM6 ringgit IP67